So make them know so we no play from now till the morning. We got the girl them every day from now till the morning. And Suzette and Nana Bay from now till the morning. Allman told us how we stay from now till the morning. And when we roll up in the Benz from now till the morning. Next amount of girl up on the ends from now till the morning. Them a lock we up to them friend from now till the morning. This yo them have to represent from now till the morning. Because we keep on folding down my body. Pull it. Allman over there. Lightning represent, I swear. Zing up. John Street. Heavy Street. You know what I mean? Big up Tony. Because them don't know. Some boy wanna stop rat out the thing from what, you know what I mean? You know what? Y'all them a wine and clap. Wine and talk. Brace it from me till I man pop. No man a ever wait, she have 5 man back. Y'all a shake it, turk it, spin I man. Fresh one a Tuesday. Me and the crew walking smoothly. Fresh from my cap to my shoes there. Girl same thing I get bruised where. Calabar man now want lose me. The amount of gal me see them confuse me. Man rough up gal from me a juvie absolutely. In the street, big stone you know what. Them boy gal bring it come. Bring it come. There's nothing them can do about it. If them gal want give them bun. Give them bun. So them talk that's why she talk it. Them boy gal bring it come. Bring it come. There's nothing them can do about it. If them gal want give me some. Big stone I'ma tell you man. John Street, White Street. Hey hey. Brawling she come with the wiring. Action me deal with. Me not candelabra bring. See the push there. Put a little grabber in. To the bus stop she walking and staggering. Deep breath there. Cock up bumper. Stepping her belly like home. Me drive me down the fat gal. Slim gal up the workout thing. Belly pain and earlier that the workout bring. Bring it come. Bring it come. There's nothing you can do about it.
Education, me full of education. 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 I come to teach you right and I go teach you wrong. Say A for the action and B for the bomb. C for the chicken with the heart love yam. D for the death sudden destruction. Say E for the echo used by musician. And a F for the food every man have in yam. G for the good we kill we keep the session. H that the R got the microphone stand. And a I for the Indian they call him Babu man. J for the juvenile and the 21. And a K for the kingdom where you find king man. L for the love between man and woman. And a M for the mountains in a this island. N for the nations we all come from. O for the operation done by the surgeon. And a P for the poor, not the dreadlocks none yam. Q for the queen overrule England. F with the rhythm we sit down pan. S for the song where me sing us to the one. And not T for the song where the lyrics come from. U for the union of all musician. And a V for the van our transportation. W for the wife every man want one. X for the X that them give to ALLMAN. And a Y for the Yankee him a born American. Z for the zoo crocodile and lion. So this is chicken got the microphone stand. Education me full of wop wop wop. Education me full of yeah yeah yeah. Education me full of education. We respect the teacher who teach ALLMAN. We respect the teacher don't a send hand. The teacher teach the police and the soldier man. And the app and the mic who does a ride the version. Education me full of wop 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 wop. Will on the field. Understand them so alright? Come on. One more me I touch it and fly away. Al Greenz, stand by. Got the coffee does me and one fall you know. We are the roughneck bird with them call up. Come up your dance, come up your party. Roughneck bird with them call up. You pull a town, you pull a country. And a dark man style. So we well versatile. Black and the cool profile. Watch how the people never smile. Got 1 pound chicken and no chicken. Black 2 pound chicken and no chicken. Black 3 pound chicken and no chicken. Black 4 pound chicken and no chicken. Yeah, no gonna yard with chicken a day. Yeah, no gonna yard with chicken a day. No gonna yard with chicken a day. If a chicken the day, he can't get way. Me fly down and he get take way. Me name the chest, me name the breast, me name the neck, me name the wing, me name the liver and the intestine. He fly down round a red gallery. He fly down round a St. Catherine. Give me the fat, give me the slim, give me the one vitamin. In the place, I find it out clean. Alright, that's good.
Yeah man, Al Greenz, Wild Street. You don't know the thing already. Big up in the street, Wild Street. Yeah. Where the man name? Yeah. Oh, stop. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. In the street, yeah. I'm the man in the street, yeah. I'm the man that you see, yeah. I'm the man who be, yeah. I'm the man. I'm the man. Yeah. White street, you know it's all green. See what I mean? Yeah. I'm the man in the street, yeah. I'm the man that you see, yeah. I'm the man who be, yeah. I'm the man, yeah. I'm the man. I'm the man. I'm the man in the street, yeah. I'm the man that you see, yeah. I'm the man who be, yeah. I'm the man, yeah. I'm the man that you meet, yeah. I'm the man that you greet, yeah. I'm the man, shit. My name is Green. Green to the art general. Love DJ, my touch well just rap. But when I grab the mic, people asking who is that? If it's too back, I'm saying no. I'm the man of the Black City, chilling in my slippers and socks and my little t-shirt and everything match. I'm so black, rap, trap. I'm the man, hey. I'm the man in the street, yeah. I'm the man that you see, yeah. I'm the man who be, yeah. I'm the man, yeah. I'm the man, shit. I'm the man in the street, yeah. I'm the man that you see, yeah. I'm the man who be, yeah. I'm the man, yeah. Street nigga ain't no beggar, ain't no. Free street nigga ain't no beggar, ain't no tricker. I pray very hard to earn my 6 feet bigger. People say I'll free. What is your occupation? I say singing music and medicine man is just one tune me do and make 6 million and let some guy round there in sinking sun. I'm so black, rap. I'm the man in the street, yeah. I'm the man, shit. I'm the man. I'm the man. I'm the man in the street, yeah. I'm the man who be, yeah. I'm the man that you see, yeah. I'm the man, shit. I'm the man. I'm the man. I'm the man, yeah. I'm the man, yeah. Big Stone, pull up the music there. No, one of them take internet thing. Don't play the music, good boy. One of them take internet thing seriously. Because it was because of the internet why we have Gully Bop. This video that Gully Bop did was 2 years ago. And guess what? Some people saw it, saw the talent in Gully Bop, and gave him a newfound life. See? So we do not underestimate the power of the internet and the power of YouTube. Now, a couple artists performed a while ago. I'm really the one in the world to know who them artists is. Check it out, come here. Hold on, because we have to talk to the youth them and the elders them. Come over on the left hand side of Big Stone saying, check it out. Yes, sir. Where did I get the name from originally? Tell me who you are and how you get to get the name Chicken Up. Well, it's a long story, but I have to try cut it short. Yeah.
Well, back in the days I was living in Rallington town. ex-police and thing.
Yeah.
Couldn't, when me write a song, when me DJ a song, I couldn't even retain it. So if you ask me for gear forward, it's a different song you're going to get from the arc.
See.
But that time it wasn't the arc. So it happened that boom. I go on my bed one night, but before I go on my bed, you know, you used to have a little Friday night thing. We go on Peace and Love sound play down at the corner of Gilcher Street.
Yeah.
At Rallington Town. Every night me go to forget the mic. Them no one give me. Cause through the police thing, them I ease me out.
Yeah.
So me always vex under their school without getting a chance.
Yeah.
So it's happened that one night me go on my bed. And lay down there and a voice come to me and say, chicken out, and I jump out and I sleep. Nobody ever called me so before. But like the voice keep coming to me. Chicken out, beware of chicken out. Telling all the farmer to beware of the ark. Enough in my house up at Gregory Park. So I said, this sound good, interesting. Yeah. So I jump up and I grab up my pen and my book. Yeah. And I bam and write it down. Yeah. The Friday night when I go down there, I used to go like 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
That night I go 8 o'clock. Nobody who used to stop me was there, but Selector Weber. When Weber spot me, him say, yes, officer. All the while, they say, you can DJ. See the mic, you know. And Big Stone. This when the man give me the mic. I'm start chicken up, beware of chicken up, beware of chicken up. Telling all farmer to beware of the ark. Enough in me house, me say up a Gregory Park. In me kitchen just a cook me chicken. When me listen outside, me hear me fowl a cackle. So me take a lick of prep, me say chew the wackle. When me sight the fowl and the ark a battle. So me run in a me house, pick up me rifle. Put one in a the bridge before the ark get out of reach. So me lick one shot and the ark make a flash. Me lick another shot and the heart get clap. Him drop on him belly, roll over on him back. Me have a little dog by the name of Spot, who run forward and go pick up that. The heart get a shot, he broke for him belly, he pop for him, he got it, broke for him back.
Hey, let me tell you something now. May I tell you, a long time you have to do it, you know, but guess what? No better time like the present, my brother. See? Old legs, you know, because I'm going to share my age, and I'm 58 come the 3rd of July. I'm an old boy. You see? But no young youth, Rona, can't ride the pum-pum like me, and me know that. They're that fuck. Every man I say, boy, what, big toe, boy, like a rare. Old legs, my brother.
Well, I'm 52, you know.
Alright, Gulliback bus at 50.
I'm going to be 53 April I come, I'm not afraid to tell you.
Gulliback bus at 50. You remember a DJ, the name DJ Daddy?
Yeah, man.
And bus at 57. Well, saying, so it's never too late.
Yeah, sure, I
Yeah, sure, I will. So tell me your original name though.
Devon Lindsay.
Devon Lindsay, aka Chicken Ark.
Yeah.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, you saw it in the street, Beamer in the street, Devon Lindsay, aka Chicken Ark. Who you want?
Lie down. I want to big up all of the ALLMAN town people, Wild Street crew. Big up my Chalice crew, but me when I left you out at all, because you don't know. All of the girls in the corner. Big up Sonia. Pick up
the feather. Alright, come on, my brother. That was Chicken Ark, ladies and gentlemen. What is your name, my brother?
Al Greenz.
Al Green, but them call you one of your stage name.
Greenz.
See what I
mean? See what I mean?
So, how you really get involved in the music thing, you know? Because music is an international thing and it can reach the world. What made you really want to do music at this time?
Boy, a long time in the music world, you know. From me a little youth stay so juvenile. That's why me have a song we say, ever since I was a juvenile, me a beat up boy and bruise up them faces. From a little bit, me moving wild. Me have girl at angle high and low places. So from me was a youth, I just my original name, that my surname is Green. And my first name is Alric Green.
Okay,
so me just cut it short and say Al Green.
Me no say it's a lover, you know, because from the sea, me no say it's a girl's man, you know. Some more you drop a one tune now. And remember now, this is going over to the four corners of the world. This is going to go on YouTube. As we reach my yard, I'm going to slide this in at the computer and the world will get a chance to say ALLMAN Town, Wild Street artists, them, all the things said. See?
Yes. Yeah.
Good.
Girl tune?
Anything, man.
Alright. The one you call Darling Do. Come in my girl, I will care for you. I got plan.
Pull up, you get forward. Roll on the camera, you get forward. You turn the camera around, sir. Mr. Cameraman, turn the camera
the biggest power now we there. Come forward again, give it again.
Yeah. So when you call for the ladies, singing for my ladies, all the Wild Street babies. Good evening, my ladies. How do you doing today? Singing, darling, do come in, my girl. I will care for you. I got plan for you. I'm the man for you. Set the stand for you. If for me a the man in her life, me woulda never straight. If my sketch might wrap up as a mason, I make my plan to see her for even once a day. She and me honey bunch likewise sugar pop. Something some man do, I will never do her that. And if she gone out of me life, me I go want her to come back in my life. She a part of me comfort. Singing, darling, do come in, my girl. I will care for you. I got plan for you. Pull up.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Al Green, Mr. Al Green, coming to you live and direct from Beamer's in the street at Wild Street in ALLMAN Town. Now, ALLMAN Town, a lot of people in the world don't know this, but the Honorable Marcus Garvey started the East Party, the Marcus People's Political Party, right in ALLMAN Town and so. And right now we are vindicated to the mayor of Kingston to rename a street, in one of them streets, right, as Marcus Garvey Street. See? So the Honorable Marcus Garvey inspired and if you notice Big Stone always wear him close to my heart because it's one of the few black men that really come with the right talking and the right thing. His Imperial Majesty again come and say we must organize and centralize. The Honorable Marcus Garvey say you must know your roots and your culture because if you don't know your roots and your culture, you don't know where you're going. See? Him also say, if you lack confidence, you're twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence, you're won before you even started. Daddy P, come on now. Give thanks to my brother. Yeah. Rastafari.
Bless you. So me up next.
Are you up next? Alright, hold on after Daddy P then. After Daddy P then you up next. See? I say, you know, you up next, you know. Alright, now you will come on now, Mr. Cameraman. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, we're here again and we're in the streets doing Beamers in the streets. Beamers came to I a couple of weeks ago and said a lot of time they picked on the news negative things about ALLMAN Town. One time a little youth get shot in my head, a little 2-year-old or 5-year-old get shot in my head. I cry till I can't cry no more. Because when we lose the youth them way they touch my heart and my soul, see? But we want the world to know that ALLMAN Town is not a negative town. ALLMAN Town is a positive town with positive youths all over the streets. It no matter which street them. Because I remember all the street them name them. Maybe Daddy P can name some of the street them. But ALLMAN Town are some of the nicest, innocent, sweet little youth them where I grew up to be prime ministers and doctors and lawyers. See? Hold on now. Daddy P, where you get the name Daddy P from again? Tell her. Hey.
Oh, you know, say from around Zakarama, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's not Miss Nanny, you know what I mean? You know, everybody know Miss Nanny. Yeah.
Everybody know Miss Nanny, right? You know Miss Nanny?
Yeah, man.
You know Miss Nanny? You a long time, you know Daddy P, a long time.
From way back.
Way back at Zakarama, around the Arnold Road, on the side. Alright, same. So you started off this as Daddy P, right? And you have blossomed now because I work for video, work for combination. I see the eye on my YouTube page, I blow up and light up the place. Let the world know a little bit peace, know more about Daddy P in sound.
Yeah, you don't know my son, the man for us help the people, the man uplift the people, you know what I mean? Poor or rich, you get what I say? Yeah.
You have a tune there. But tune there, you remember the tune? Hey, tune where are they, tune? You remember the tune? I love that. Let me tell you something, I love that Daddy P tune there. You remember what I'm talking about? What's wrong? Wait there. What's true there?
Looking at your face and your pretty little shape, you know say you're
damn, you know? Yeah, Daddy P. Yeah. Well, what do I hear? No sound. Daddy P, no get Sharon. I want you to perform it. If I have 2 bars also. See? To the world, make them hear that tune because that tune there. Shut and liquid. Big Stone says so. Daddy P.
Oh, you mean, so I street girl them hot. Oh, you mean, a cappella for the ladies time. You see that girl there? She made the night and day hot still. She have left them from way back. Burning up. I'm telling you. Hey. Girl, from looking at your face and your look body shape, girl, me know so you're firm enough. Like sun when you shine out the street, so you have the whole place burning up. Through your heart from morning, the top from morning, Konya, champagne, you up from morning. Some girl, hungry, now cook up from morning. Madam, you're done, my darling of your man. Not there, no pass and in a calling. When nothing never used to go on, me girl never want him. Now you rich now, man, buy a ticket from. You get it said Martin Afton. From looking at your face and you look over the shape, tell me no, so you're firm enough. Like sun when you shine out the street, so you have the whole place burning up. Through your effort for art education, where you got. You mashing up the number one spot. You not beg, you not borrow my girl, you not catch, and you look like Nessa Fogo. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, Daddy P is here to stay. A number of new events coming up with us. What I advise the people that this year we celebrate the 150th anniversary of the Marant Bay Rebellion. Right? If all those youngsters who don't know about the Marant Bay Rebellion, Paul Bogle walked 6.5 miles from Stonygut. And when he reached in a Marant Bay to talk to the governor about the plight of the people, because he never had to do that. Paul Bogle was a very wealthy man. He owned at that time in 1865 over 3,000 acres of land. Paul Bogle was never a slave. So for Paul Bogle, take it upon himself, together with the people, the poor class of people, and say, I could walk, go to Marant Bay, go defend it. When he get to Marant Bay, the white governor said, wait, how would them niggas there out there? What am I doing with? Protest them come for protest, and all them soldier them to kill 9 of them on them. Then just 5 of the crowd and 9 people drop dead. Now remember, Paul Bogle was a deacon minister. Paul Bogle was a deacon minister. He never got there for no war. But what Paul Bogle I got to tell him the family them say, 9 of the man will walk with him from Stonygut, come a Marant Bay. Ain't soldier, kill them. So you know him do? Him just pick up a machete and storm the courthouse. And then we can't talk this man YouTube because him cut it off, brethren. But he made an example of over 40 white people. Now we do not advocate violence, but at the same time, we must stand up as Jamaicans for our right. Because if we don't stand up for our right, then guess what? They're gonna walk all over. Saying, lightning, Daddy P, give thanks.